We are back with another Stitch Fix unboxing, but today we have something special. We are featuring a guest.
Say hi, Sarah.
Hi. Just tell us briefly about yourself, your fashion likes, dislikes, needs.
I usually wear denim jeans, blue denim, and t-shirt.
Oh.
And if I ever need to dress up a little bit, I have nothing to wear.
Oh, okay.
And you do have a head of silvery white hair. How does that impact your fashion choices?
I can usually wear white because white hair with white clothes makes your hair look yellow, and I don't like that. So, the more colorful, the better for me.
Okay, so with that, we'll get started.
I'm gonna zoom in on the, see what we see here. Oh,
It looks like they got some color.
I see some color.
Okay. I love this.
And so I'm gonna zoom in on that so it looks like we've got an embroidered top. Is that beading as well?
No, it's
Just the stitching.
Yep, stitching front and the back.
Yeah, that's cute. Beautiful blue. What else we got?
We have a striped sweater.
Oh,
Now it's looking like really something that I would love. But stripes aren't usually my favorite.
good. Ooh, something floralicious.
This is a dress. I do like dresses, especially comfortable dresses.
Mm-hmm.
This is kind of cute. Usually things with the waist like this are a little bit too short for me. This is a bright colored something.
Well, you were looking for more color.
Ooh.
This is very bright.
It's hard to go from like gray to, poppy.
But if you,
It's a really pretty color.
It's very
actually.
pretty.
but yeah, and this is probably the color I should wear with my white hair. And then I have some super skinny,
Unfinished hems.
unfinished hem jeans.
Oh, boy.
Slop stretch, I do like that.
Oh, I like the whiskering in those. I like the
I
coloring.
know.
Well,
Do they have a stretch to them?
Oh, yeah.
Luxe stretch.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, they're stretchy. They seem nice.
so should we take a break and have you try some things on?
Sure.
And then meanwhile, we'll enjoy the cat in a box. Do 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 do, cat in a box.
So here we are wearing the French gray Evelyn brush knit dress, navy size large.
For the model.
But
I feel it's too small and it's too short. I think it's cute, the pattern. I feel like the pattern, but I don't. And it's really soft. It's nice.
How much
But
is that,
it's
Nicole?
too short for me. All of it.
it's a 48
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Nope. All right. Well, we'll take a break and try some other things on.
So we're back with these are Vidas Collie Crop skinny jeans. And then we've got the skies are blue, traveling embroidered yoke, pink and navy. As you can see, the skinny jeans are not actually on the guest. This is because they were too tight.
Yeah, I couldn't even get them buttoned.
So those are a definite no based on the size. But the embroidered paint, how are you feeling about that?
Oh, this is cute. It's
Love
something
it.
I would wear. I like the embroidery.
Mhm. Yeah, it's really cute. I like it.
It is $53.95.
No, it is really soft. It almost feels more like a sweater, maybe.
Mhm. That's one thing I've always liked about Stitch Fix is the quality of the material has been
that's
really
more like a
nice.
sweater.
We are back with Mix by 41 Hawthorne Arnold Raglan knit sweater in light blue. Kind of excited to hear our feelings on this one. It's a little out of the comfort.
I like the color. Blue. It's color. It seems nice. Everything is very nice. I'm not sure about the stripes.
It looks like it fits you well, except for the length of the arms, unless it's meant to be
It's meant to be a
3/4.
three-quarter sleeve.
Yeah. I mean,
Oh, is it?
well,
Okay.
It feels good if you push them, but I don't know. It's okay. Yeah, it's nothing fancy.
And that's, yeah,
It feels good because it's really soft.
yeah.
But sorry.
Let's see the red number.
Average.
we are back with our final piece, 41 Hawthorne Brayson pleated detail blouse in red. So I think this is the piece that's the most on your comfort zone, probably.
Right.
It's a little on the bright side from what you're used to.
Just trying to zoom in on some of the detailing at the neckline. That's really pretty.
I like it better on. I like it more than I thought I would like it. I think it's a good length too. Sometimes it's too
Mhm.
short on me, but this doesn't feel too short.
Mm-hmm.
It's comfortable.
That is $54.
Ooh,
That's not too.
yeah, that is a lot.
Yes, this is a little more colorful.
Mhm.
Probably more different. So this would probably be better, I think, for me to buy if I was going to buy something, even though I do like the pink.
I would really be excited for you if you got the red one. It looks really good on you.
So what are your overall impressions of the box as a whole?
I think, yeah, capturing my style, yeah, pretty good.
Good. Do you want to read the stylist note? And maybe sit down on the couch and read it?
Hi, Sarah.
Hi.
Happy Fix Day and welcome to the Stitch Fix family. I found you a variety of pieces to try that are stylish, casual, and comfortable. They are perfect options for you to wear to work with kids or to wear at home on the weekend. I thought you would love the Vidas Collie Crop Skinny Jean. It is casual and comfortable. The frayed hem adds such a unique and stylish touch. I think you will look great in it. Pair it with the 41 Hawthorne Brayson pleated detail blouse for a great look. This blouse has such a beautiful red color, and the floral pattern really adds a pop. The V-neck adds some extra room on top, while the rest of the shirt is a flattering straight cut. Please let me know how I did styling this fix. This will help me better learn your personal style and will help me style your fixes even better. Enjoy, Jenny.
Ah,
She did a good job.
yeah.
Done.
Well, this was your first fix, and so one of the next things you get to do is you're not exchanging things, but you're going to send some things back, but you get to give feedback on each of the items through the app. Thank you for being our first guest.
Well, you're welcome. It was fun.
Well, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new to our channel. Bye.